On today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can utilize Notion for your reading list. And it's all coming up next. So here you see we have opened up Notion. And I have this reading list database right here. Now, if you want to have a reading list where you can keep track of the books that you're reading, articles, TV, films, stuff like that, the quick and easy way to do this, besides building your own database, this is probably really, really simple, is all you have to do is go over here to templates, and Notion has already got it for you. It's right here under reading list. All you have to do is click on that and hit Get Template, and then the next thing you know, it's right there in your list of items here in your private section. Okay? But what is kind of good about having a reading list is that you can, like for instance, if I open this up, you can put all kinds of notes in here and everything that you want to learn about, whatever book you're reading or what have you, right? Or maybe it's an article or stuff. And if you see here, it's organized by, well, they don't have a sort or anything, but you have name or Netflix, right here. You got all these names here. You got the articles. You also have the status, whether or not you started it, it's in progress or it's done. The score. Yeah, sometimes you might want to, maybe you read a book and it's like out of 5 stars, it's a 3 or a 4 or whatever. You could put that there. You can also put down the author so you can keep track of your authors. Maybe you want to create a filter of only Kara Swisher's, books or what have you. Here you can put in your completed date when you completed reading it or watching the show. And then you can also put a link here and say when you click on that link, it takes you to that article right there. Okay. And I don't like New York Times, because they always want you to pay. I just want to read, but I digress. And over here you have, and see, this is the all tab, and over here you have a group by status. So you can have little cover art here, right? And you can have it in, and this is like in a board view. Then you can look at your books only, right? Look at your articles only. You can look at film and TV only. Or maybe you want to look at all the ones that you have finished in a table view, right? Or actually it's a list view, to be more precise. So I just kind of wanted to show you all this cool little reading list. And one more thing, they even put little notes here. It says a modern day reading list including more than just books, right? And then here it says one more thing, if you have the Notion web clipper installed, you can web clip these articles and stuff right directly into this reading list database. Anyways, I hope this episode was useful for y'all, and if it was, don't forget to hit that like button down below, and if you want to see more of these videos in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care. Bye.